So yeah, it's loading a bit faster. Once again, the video's got to be the same size of the page. Also, here there's a part missing. There's a part missing. It looks a bit not proper that way. Also, there's the logo here. We've got to get our logo in there. Also, the this thing here. I think it doesn't. Well, I don't particularly like it. Don't know whether we can make it bluish in tone with our logo and all that. So yeah, but it's much better than what we had before. Also here we've got to get in this part our logo as well. Like when you go into our Areton.co then .com, then you get what you get that little icon with our logo in there. I'll show you in a second. But yeah, it does look better, but it's got these fine details as these things that are missing. Also, yeah, obviously the small details, design themes, and yeah, if we get 2018 and then add it unlimited and all that with the link to our website. Yeah, but it looks much better than what we have. So yeah, better job. It also looks faster than what it was yesterday. But I think it was there. If you could actually see that, I don't know why it's not showing there, but there used to be the Areton icon. Oh yeah, that's the Areton icon in there. You see. So if we get the same thing in there, so the Areton icon. Yeah, tell me if you don't have the logo. The logo is quite important. Yeah, that's the thing. You see, the video is not in the same size and all that. Yeah, so that's but it's an improvement compared to what we had. So yeah, also about the Areton, if you could do a search box, when we go on Amazon, I've got Amazon, Amazon.co.uk. I'll show you just as an example. I've got search boxes for product category there. See, so if we could get something different in related products, you see, look, I'm not saying that we do the same sort of intelligence as Amazon because we don't even have the data, but it's for Areton Limited, if we get a search box where people can actually search for products and then a related thing on down somewhere. So we've got search and then we've got related products or whatever else. So it'd be more in line with standard websites with that. So also here the rental is still not very clear. It's the link to the rental option. So yeah, I go there, but it's not very clear. If I click on there's a rental option. It's not very clear. So that's another thing too. Yeah, as you said, rental option. Yeah, but it's not clear as rental, so it's got to be said in the main website. Yeah, so that's the feedback.